Hey guys, I'm Ashley.
And I'm Liz.
All right, so welcome back. In this segment, we are going to talk about the mental health promoting benefits of
Gardening. Yep, you heard me.
Hi guys, I'm Ashley.
And I'm Liz.
And this is Dancing in the Kitchen.
Wait.
Except
We're in the garden, so it's
Dancing in the garden.
today.
Yeah, today. And as you can see, we are surrounded by so much lush, beautiful vegetation.
Yeah.
It feels so refreshing.
Yes, it does.
Yeah, and Liz is not normally a morning person.
No, not a morning person, but it feels so good to be out here. And it's just, there's a different energy. It feels really good and really light. And we are in the middle of the city, but being here feels so tranquil and so calm and just lovely.
Yeah, like would you ever guess this is Los Angeles?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's great.
Yeah, and that brings us to the health benefits of gardening and the mental health benefits, of which there are many.
So many.
And so just like we've been talking about, first and foremost, life moves at such a busy, frenetic pace with technology and the internet and just, nonstop communication. It's so good for our bodies to get out in nature, in the natural world, and kind of reset our rhythm in tune with the natural rhythm of the earth.
Totally.
Yeah, which is clearly much slower, much more peaceful, much calmer.
Yeah, and getting your hands dirty and really digging in and like having purpose and seeing things grow, and it's just a really nice way to spend a Sunday.
That's true, which, you're bringing up a couple other health benefits, one of which is like literally getting our hands in the earth is like the probiotics and just the exposure to natural bacteria, and all of that is really powerful. And then secondly, that sense of accomplishment and reward and, like you said, purpose of putting work into something and seeing literally the fruits of your labor.
The benefits of it all, and it's really exciting. It's really nice to see and share. So.
Additionally, the research on centenarians and the blue zones, where there are more centenarians in the population, so these are the places where people live the longest, all of those cultures have in common
Gardening.
Yeah, and when you think about it, as you're getting older, being out in the garden, you're working with your body, you're keeping your mobility up, you're active every day, breathing fresh air, most likely enjoying fresh fruits and vegetables and incorporating those into your diet.
Yep. Getting the sun, getting energy from the sun. Also exercise and being part of your community. It goes a really, really long way. It's no surprise to me that that is a group of people that would live long.
Absolutely. And as you can see, there are multiple plots in this garden. We're in a community garden. And like Liz just mentioned, community is so powerful.
They got nothing on us. You know we about to get it. Cause you know we always winning. And either way you spin it, they got nothing on us. They got nothing on us. Nothing, nothing, nothing. They got nothing on us. Nothing, nothing, nothing. They got nothing on us. Nothing, nothing, nothing. They got nothing on us. Either way you spin it, they got nothing on us. Hey. Every day we live there, doing anything we want, taking care of business, and we never gonna stop, never gonna listen until we gonna reach that top. And even when we get there, we ain't gonna stop. Oh no no no, I see you looking at us. Oh no no no, but you better step up, step up. You know we about to get it, cause you know we always win it. And either way you spin it, they got nothing on us.
This has definitely inspired me to learn more about gardening.
Yay! And all that goes with it, too.
Yes.
I think about how much more connected I feel with my food when I know where it comes from, what it takes to make it, right? And
Absolutely.
even understanding the cycles of the earth and composting the waste and
Yeah, because it could look very complicated, but it's once you learn, you realize it's quite simple.
It's true.
So yeah, don't be intimidated by it like I was.
Yeah, and you can start small. Start with one plant, and you'll learn as you go. Like I said, I started with one plant, and then through doing it, I discovered and learned more things, and you learn what works and what doesn't, and it's kind of part of the fun.
Yeah,
And you know what? It's great for kids too, because think about how many kids just see like food in a supermarket and they don't really have any concept of where it comes from. But when you really get out in the garden and you get connected with your food, it's just a whole different relationship.
Yeah, that's a really good point.
And there's so many reasons why gardening is healthy and protective for mental health. One of which is obviously eating fresh food grown in the garden. It tends to be more nutrient dense than commercially farmed foods. So there's one thing.
Right.
What's another?
I think a source of pride. I think anything that you do and produce and grow and then get the chance to eat, I mean, and share is amazing. So I think that. Also, probably just the physical aspect of it. It takes a lot to garden. I think it gets overlooked, but it takes a lot of energy and strength, and to move around and have that on a consistent basis is definitely helping keep those blue zones alive.
I actually have a fun fact. So I also find that it can be a great way to get your aggression out.
Oh,
like
you taking it out on carrots, or what's the deal?
On the weeds, pulling the weeds.
I see.
And even like digging in the earth.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it can be like really gratifying, really cathartic.
Okay. That's another segment. Angry Gardening 101. We're getting there.
We'll have to do a theme on anger issues. Nobody around here has that. But if we did, it would be okay and absolutely
I'm
acceptable.
kind of into it. I mean, you know.
I think, you know, and that's a topic for a different day, but just a quick aside that like, anger is something that tends to get pushed down and suppressed because it's not acceptable to be angry or to express your anger or to talk about it. And it absolutely is. We just have to find healthy and constructive ways to do so, because when we repress that anger, it comes out in other ways.
Sure, like carrots and celery and lettuce and all of it, right?
Some people actually say that depression is emotion that we're afraid to express and we push down, and so we're kind of just stuck and frozen and stagnant, and that it's actually like this repressed anger.
Awesome.
Anyway,
Put it to good use.
Yeah, and one more health benefit of gardening is just being outside in the sunshine and fresh air, the negative ions from the earth, the vitamin D from the sunshine exposure.
Absolutely.
There's so much to love.
And with the pandemic, we lost our vitamin D. You know, everybody was deficient after that. So get out and garden.
Get out and garden.
Get your vitamin D.
And one last thing is that it tends to create an abundance of food that you can share with your community.
Look at all this color.
All right, so our recipe today, can you guess what we are making?
No.
Could it be a salad?
Very well could be.
So we are gonna make a garden fresh fattoush salad.
Nice.
So this is our spin on a popular Middle Eastern dish, and we've got all this yummy romaine, carrots, tomatoes, cucumber, bell peppers, avocados, and then we'll make our own fresh and light dressing. And our song today,
Give it to me.
I think it's one of yours.
Is it?
It might be. Do we know
What's
our
it
song
called?
for today?
I don't.
I don't either.
We'll be back.
Welcome back. We know our song for the day.
We do. We know it, I swear.
So it is.
It's called Nothing on Us.
And this is one of yours.
It is one of mine, with my good friend Heather and AJ. And yeah, they've got nothing on us gardening, right?
Yeah, because we're strong, healthy, fit, and capable. Yes. And so are you. All right, well, let's get going.
Never gonna listen until we gonna reach the top.
All these fresh, healthy ingredients here. So right here we've got romaine lettuce.
Yeah.
Fun fact, iceberg lettuce actually does not have a lot of nutritional value. So romaine tends to be a much better choice. And there are so many different lettuces that you can choose from. So we chose this kind of for its fresh, light, crispy.
Correct. And we're gonna mix it
with some spinach.
Some spinach,
Some
so-
dark leafy greens.
They got nothing on us. You know we about to get it. Cause you know we always winning. And either way you spin it, they got nothing on us.
All right, so I'm gonna chop up some more fresh veggies here.
They got nothing on us. Nothing, nothing, nothing. They got nothing on us. Nothing, nothing, nothing. They got nothing on us. Nothing, nothing.
Saving these for composting, always a good idea.
Either way you spin it, they got nothing on us. Hey.
Then last but not least, we've got our avocado here.
Every day we live it, doing anything we want, taking care of
right, we are ready to toss. All right, so we're gonna be combining our ingredients here for our dressing, and we've got lemon juice. We've also got some apple cider vinegar. It's unpasteurized. It has this probiotic stuff down at the bottom. It's called the Mother. I'm gonna add a little apple cider vinegar. We've got parsley here. Parsley has a ton of health promoting benefits. It's a detoxifying herb. And then I'm gonna add olive oil. This is an example where cold pressed olive oil is really good for things like salad dressings, where you're not heating the oil and it maintains its integrity. Last but not least, we're gonna do some salt and pepper. And a nice fresh ground pepper. Liz, whisk me.
Anytime.
All right.
Nothing, nothing, nothing. They got nothing on us. Nothing, nothing, nothing. They got nothing on us. Nothing, nothing, nothing. They got nothing on us.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
People often ask us if we're sisters. Comment below.
We'll tell you.
Do you vote yes or no?
All right, we're all set.
All right. All right. Get our salad here into a nice little bowl. Mouth is watering. Cannot wait to dig in. And I'm so excited to share this with community members, especially people who might not get to eat this kind of food very often. Oh, it looks so good. You get cravings for this salad and just have to like eat a whole big bowl every once in a while.
Win it. And either way you spin it. They got nothing on us.
Ooh la la, what is this?
What do we have here? I'm so excited. I think this is the box of all boxes from my favorite.
Could it be?
It's Primal Kitchen.
Oh my
I'm so excited. Okay, you ready?
Yeah,
Let's
I'm ready.
open it. Let's open it.
Oh my gosh, jackpot. Look at that.
It's full to the brim. Let's do this.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. This is crazy. I'm
We
so
got
excited.
Buffalo sauce.
Okay, and Korean barbecue sauce,
A tad sweet ketchup.
mayo,
Ooh, Caesar dressing.
Dijon mustard,
Teriyaki.
and it just keeps going.
Wow. Thick
Oh my
and
gosh.
sticky honey teriyaki.
Ooh, that's gonna be good. You can never have enough avocado oil.
And green goddess dressing.
Ranch.
No dairy vodka sauce.
Oh my gosh, I literally cannot believe this. Queso, which I actually didn't even know they had, so I'm super excited about this.
And more of this amazing avocado oil.
Oh my gosh.
That we can use to cook all our delicious meals.
Oh my gosh, Primal Kitchen came through. Ah, I can't do it.
Ah, it's stuck carefully. Oh, you win.
Ranch bread.
And green goddess.
Ooh, I'm so excited. Primal Kitchen really came through on all this free product. I mean, amazing.
Well, we made out like happy little bandits.
Oh my gosh, how amazing is this? Thank you so much, Primal Kitchen. We really appreciate it. We cannot wait to put all of these sauces to good use. And you already know I'm a fan, but we're gonna make a fan out of everybody else. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
That salad was super fresh, wasn't it, Luna?
So fresh and tasty. Garden fresh, if you will.
Yes, definitely. Garden fresh.
Yeah, and we hope that you enjoyed it as well. We're curious to know if you like to garden, and we're curious to know if this inspired you to want to garden, you know?
Absolutely, I hope so.
Let us know in the comments below.
And if you want to buy us a coffee and help support the show, there's a link below for that as well, and we appreciate it so much.
Please do. Please also buy our merch, like and subscribe, and we will see you back here next time for more on
Bye.
Dancing in the Kitchen.
Get up, dance, get